So now let's see how we can work around with the split function inside of Google Sheets. So over here you can see that I got 3 names in a single column, and let's say I want to split that out. So in order to do that, you can simply use a function as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around and then press equals, and then I'm going to type in the formula split just like this. So once I do that, you can see that split is here. And then what I can do is I can take this text as a reference. So that's A1, as you can see. I can press comma on my keyboard, and then I can enter space in between. So I'm going to go around and type in inverted comma right here and press space, type in another inverted comma right here, and then that's it. So once you close the bracket, it takes the spaces as the breakpoint, and once you press enter, now you can see that there's Robert Michael Lantle right here, just like this. So if I were to click and drag this, the same happens with the other names as well, just like this. I'm just going to go around and then change the format right here on to automatic, and I'm just going to go around over here and then change this out as well. So just like this, I can go around, make the changes according to how I like it right over here. And then this is what you have as a result, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can use the split function inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.